In this video, we will solve question number 5 of exercise 13.4. Question number 5 of exercise 13.4, chapter surface areas and volumes. Question is a hemispherical bowl. We have a hemispherical bowl of made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeters. Inner diameter. Inner diameter is 10.5 centimeters. Then find the cost of tin plating it on the inside. इसी हेमिस्फेरिकल बॉल को हमने इनर साइड से टिन प्लेटिंग करनी है एट द रेट ऑफ ₹16 पर 100 centimeter square. This is the rate of printing, rate of tin plating. Now we will calculate cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of ₹16 per centimeter square. ये एक क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ पे. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 भी हम सॉल्व करेंगे. रेडियस ऑफ स्फीयर फाइंड करना है. हुज सरफेस एरिया. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर होगा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में 154 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड वी विल फाइंड रेडियस ऑफ द सेम स्फीयर. बस फर्स्टली वी विल कैलकुलेट, वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 of exercise 13.4 chapter surface areas and volumes. Hemispherical bowl made up of brass बनाएंगे यहाँ पे. Let this be hemispherical bowl made up of brass has inner diameter. अगर inner diameter given है then we can say inner radius, let it be r. Radius is diameter upon 2, that is 10.5 upon 2, it will be 5.25 centimeters. Inner means थोड़ी सी इस बाउल की थिकनेस होगी. let it be like this. ये रहा inner radius. inner radius is 5.25 centimeters और अंदर से ही हमने इसको पॉलिश करना है. थिकनेस होगी, that's why inner portion को ही हमने tin plating करनी है. So we will find the cost of tin plating it at the inside. Firstly we must know the surface area. We have hemispherical bowl, we will tin plate it on the inner side. Okay, now firstly we will calculate surface area. Surface area of hemispherical bowl. मैं यहाँ पे simply bowl लिख रहा हूँ. We know surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Since this one is a hemisphere, so surface area will be 2 pi r square. 2 value of pi 22/7. R radius 5.25 into 5.25. So in order to save time, we will make use of calculator. We have 2 into 22, 44 into 5.25 into 5.25. The result is 1212.75 divided by 7. Divided by 7. Okay, 1212.75 divided by 7. Result is 173.25 centimeter square. This one is inner surface area of bowl. मैं inner word use यहाँ पे कर लूँ because tin plating भी अंदर से ही करनी है हमें. Okay, now cost of tin plating according to question. 100 centimeter square को अगर हमने tin plating करनी है, इसकी cost है ₹16. cost of tin plating 1 centimeter square को अगर tin plating करनी है, 100 के लिए 16, 1 के लिए it will be 16 upon 100. cost of tin plating 173.25 centimeter square. It will be 16 upon 100 multiply 173.25. So cost will be in rupees. Now we will calculate. This one is 16 into 173.25. This one is 2772. 2772, but divided by 100 जब करेंगे it will be 27.72 rupees. This one is a cost of tin plating. अगर हमने inner surface को tin plating करनी होगी इतनी cost हमें spend करनी पड़ेगी. This one is question number 5. Now in the same video we will solve question number 6 also. In the question number 6 we have surface area of sphere is given. We have surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere equals to 154 centimeter square. What's the formula for surface area of sphere? This one is 4 pi r square equals to 154 centimeter square, 4 pi r square. This is the formula for finding surface area of sphere. Now 4 into pi, 22/7 into r square, 154. We will find radius. Simply मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ, रेसिप्रोकल में लिखूंगा इसको 4/1 था 1/4. अगर इस टर्म को भी मैं यहाँ लिखता हूँ मैं इसको भी रेसिप्रोकल में लिखूंगा 7/22. Now this one is 22. 22 ones are 22 and 22 into 7. This one is 154. So we have result 7 into 7 upon 4. 4 means 2 multiplied by 2. Now it can be written as 7/2 whole square. 7/2 whole square. Square gets cancelled. R equals to 7/2. 7/2 means 3.5. This one is the surface area of sphere 154 centimeters, and then we calculated radius of the sphere, that is 3.5 centimeters. This one is question number 6, exercise 13.4. Thank you.